Is eating right a challenge for you? If yes, how do you change it? I invite you to play the habit game where you can work on creating one habit to improve your eating. Today's game is the habit of eating fruits. Are you ready? If yes, let's play the game. Welcome to Grow with Girija and to the habit game. Every game is at one of the three complexity levels: simple, challenging, or difficult. Today's game is a simple one and it is about habit of eating fruits every day. But why eating fruits is important? We all know that processed food is not good for health and body. So what should we eat often? Natural food, less processed food. And which food in nature is the most unprocessed and which humans can consume as it is? The answer is fruits. Yes, for good health, for vitality, eating fruits every day is essential. And I also would like to share my story that I was in habit of eating fruits earlier, but somewhere along the line I lost that habit. But when I started creating this video, this message which I wanted to share with everyone, I realized I could start it myself. And here I am. I am back on that habit of eating fruits every day. Like every game, this game has rules too. But before I share that with you, I want to tell you that you have the choice to play at different levels of player. Everybody starts at beginner. Then you can go to intermediate, then to expert, and finally master. It really depends on how many days you play the game and continue to win. You might ask, against whom am I playing? I'm glad you asked. Life is a single player game. So you are playing against yourself. Does it sound simplistic or actually ridiculous? Let me explain. You are not just playing against yourself, you are playing against your future self. That future self which chose not to make any changes with its eating and stayed the way it is today. So, by starting this habit of eating fruits every day, you are actually going to beat that future version of yourself which is less smart, and that's how you are going to win. Now, let's talk about the rules. There are four rules. Number one, fresh fruits, not frozen ones. Number two, no juicing, no puring, no smoothie, just whole fruits. Number three, nothing else with the fruits. No nuts, no cheese, no cream, no sugar, just fruits. And number four, fruits not part of the meal. Not before the meal, not after the meal, not during the meal. Fruits on its own. You know what, friends? I really want you to win in this game. So I would share some tips with you which have worked for me in the past. First, buy the fruits in advance so that you have those available when you want to eat. Second, once you have decided the time when you want to eat it, keep a reminder so that you don't forget it. For me, it works best when I have fruits around in the evening 5 or 6 o'clock. Third, if you store the fruits in refrigerator, remember to take those out in advance so that they are at the room temperature. Because you don't want to bite into that cold apple when you are ready to eat it. And if you are unsure how many fruits to consume, because different fruits are of different sizes, then check out this video of mine where I explain what technique do I use to find out how many fruits I would have every day. Share your experience of playing this game by giving your comments in the comment section below. If you would like to play more of such games, then check out the habit games on my channel. Do remember to subscribe to the channel to get notified. And one last thing before I let you go. You know, your chances at winning at any game are higher when you give it your best. And this habit game is for you to bring a change in your life. So give it your best, give it your 100%.